Samsung Smart TV Remote Control Pack.
This universal remote control pack includes 2 remotes compatible with all Samsung TVs, featuring quick access buttons for popular streaming services. Built for durability and performance, it promises seamless navigation and comes with a 90-day warranty for peace of mind. Easy setup and compatibility. Many users report that the remote connects automatically and requires no setup, making it user-friendly for everyone. Great value for money. Customers appreciate receiving 2 remotes at a reasonable price, providing a backup option that enhances value. Durable build quality. Constructed from durable materials, the remote is designed to withstand regular use, ensuring longevity. Quick access streaming buttons. The inclusion of dedicated buttons for popular streaming services like Netflix and Hulu simplifies access to content. Limited functionality. Some customers have noted that advanced features available on original remotes are missing, limiting functionality. Inconsistent performance. A few users reported that while the remote works initially, it may stop functioning properly over time, indicating reliability concerns. Button durability issues. Feedback suggests that some buttons may become unresponsive or feel cheap after repeated use, impacting user experience. Line of sight requirement. As it relies on infrared technology, the remote requires a clear line of sight to the TV, which can be inconvenient in certain scenarios. The Samsung Smart TV Remote Control Replacement Pack is a solid choice for those looking for affordable and functional remotes. Its ease of use and durable design make it appealing. However, potential buyers should consider the limitations in functionality and button durability, which may affect long-term satisfaction. The value of having 2 remotes is a significant advantage for many users, making it a worthwhile purchase, unless advanced features are necessary.
Are you excited to make a purchase? Or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!